Do you want to get more qualified leads at a low cost using Google Ads advanced optimization? This video is made just for you. Conversion value rules help you increase high quality conversion. You can set them based on specific groups like device type, location, or audience segment. If you are using smart bidding and bot match keyword, this can be a very powerful tool to improve result from your Google Ads campaign. Navigate to Google Ads account, move on goals, then value rules. From here, you will get a quick idea of what conversion value rules. If you want to know more, click on learn more to see the details. Create conversion value. Now let's tell Google which type of customer are more valuable for our business. Primary condition. Here we need to select for which user we want to change the conversion value. Usually there are three options: device, location, audience segment. Here we can set two conditions: primary and secondary. For example, device can be primary and location can be secondary, or audience segment can be primary and device can be secondary. In the same way, we can create more condition, but here we can apply two condition: primary condition and secondary condition. Let's create for device. Here three options: desktop, mobile, and tablet. We will select the device from which we are getting more valuable conversion. But how can we check which device is giving us high value conversion? Select the campaign, click on Insight and Reports, then when and where ads showed, then device. From here we can see which device is given high value conversion. I choose the mobile device. Then secondary condition. Let's see location performance. Again go to campaigns, audience keyword and content, then location. Now we able to see from which location is being high value conversion. Enter here location name, then click on location option. For location, you want to include adjust value for we keep it people in this location, and for location you want to exclude adjust value for we keep it as it is. At last, audience segment. Let's check audience performance, then make a decision. Again campaign, audience keyword and content, then audience segment. Have to select conversion here, then click on show table drop down menu, scroll a bit. From here we can see the performance of the audience added in our campaign. We can identify which audience is bring high value conversion, then copy high value conversion audience and paste here. This audience appear here, check mark the box. Then value adjustment. This is where we set how much the value should increase when the condition is fulfilled. There are two options: increased by and multiply by. Increased by, add a fixed amount. For example, if the base value is 100, you add an extra 50 to it. And multiply by, multiply the value, for example doubling the value for a specific audience. Then save. That's it. Inshallah, see you in the next video.